Hi, I'm Teryn and welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If you're new, I make a lot of skincare focused beauty content as well as fashion and life content. If that interests you, please be sure to check out my other videos, like this video, and subscribe. So I know the summer is winding down, but I know there's probably a good amount of you out there that are wondering about using tretinoin during the summer. And I wanted to come on here and talk about my experience using tretinoin during the summer for the past 2 years, as well as some reasons why I think you should continue to use tretinoin or not be scared about starting it during the summer. Just as a reminder, I am not an esthetician or a dermatologist. Some of you are probably wondering whether or not you can use tretinoin during the summer, and the answer is yes, you can. I would say there is a benefit to using tretinoin during the summer because since it is a retinoid, it increases skin cell turnover. I think using tretinoin during the summer can really benefit you because during the summer, your exposure to the sun is higher, which means that you may be having an increased chance of developing sun damage. So me personally, I think using tretinoin can really benefit you during the summer. If you're wondering how to use tretinoin during the summer, I recommend using it at night as you're supposed to. I use my tretinoin nightly. It's important to have consistency when using tretinoin so that it can really work. Whether or not you use it twice a week, 5 times a week, or 7 times a week, it's just important to keep a good consistent routine, especially if you are looking to have major results. It's important that you apply a broad spectrum SPF of at least 30 during the day, and it's also important to reapply that sunscreen throughout the day, especially if you're going to be outside or exposed to the sun. If you are someone who is not going to be applying sunscreen or reapplying it throughout the day, I would probably consider not using tretinoin because that can really delay results and it can also increase your chances of your skin becoming irritated. For the most part, you should not be applying tretinoin during the day. Tretinoin can make your skin dry, flaky, and or purge, so it is important to keep in communication with your dermatologist or esthetician in case you are experiencing different reactions, and to also just make sure that you are doing what's best for you and your skin. Overall, I do not think you should avoid retinoids such as tretinoin during the summer. I think that using them can actually really benefit you and help to reverse or prevent sun damage. Going back to sun damage, I learned that even getting a tan is a sign of sun damage. So I'm going to be adding some products to my body care routine to help reverse the sun damage. Let me know in the comments what is one of your favorite products to use to prevent or reverse sun damage. Aside from using sunscreen and applying it daily, I also recommend having a good hat to wear during the hot summer months, especially if you're going to be outside during peak times during the day, and that's usually around 11 a.m. until 2 p.m. So if you're out gardening, if you're at the beach, try to use some sort of tool or a hat to help block you from the sun. This week's comment of the week is a question and it says, will it bleach hair? I'm scared to use mine because of that. This comment was left on one of my morning skincare videos where I'm using clindamycin and benzoyl peroxide while on tretinoin. And to answer it, none of those products bleach my hair. I've never experienced any sort of bleaching while using any of my skincare products, and definitely not the ones that I've used on this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think in the comments, and as always, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Thank you again.